It's called Nature Divine. It was originally named Divine Nature, and then when they translated it into French, I loved it. And nature is divine, and we want to promote the importance of nature. It's what we live off of. I have to admit, I do love France. I've been to Avignon before and thought extremely well of it, and I am enamored with the surrounding. Abbaye Saint-André is a magnificent, incredibly beautiful location. I'm very honored and happy to be here. I do have an incredible feeling when I look at my artwork on the beautiful walls here at Abbaye Saint-André. It clarifies where I've been with my work, and it also challenges me to the next step. The things that are so important to me are the gesture in the painting. It's either with my hands or swooshing paint across. The direction talks. It's the passion. The other factor in painting, which is terribly important to me, is the color. I always feel that there is something new to learn, something new to see, some new direction to go. Sometimes it's a journey through paintings that nobody likes or I don't like, but one's moving. It makes me say, yes, there's another chapter, there's another way to go. I can't tell you yet, but it's inspiring, very inspiring.